Hello everyone, Haddock and wireless sensor network, important multiple choice questions and answers. First question. Dash mean information is collected by all nodes and topology is constructed. Option C, topology organization is the correct answer. Next question. TCP faces problem like option C, both A and B. Frequent path loss, high channel error rate. Next question. Features of Haddock wireless network are dash. Option D, all the above. No infrastructure support, mobility of nodes developers routers. Next question. An example of infrastructure-less network. Option B, Haddock network. Haddock means for specific purpose. Option A, true is the correct answer. Disadvantage of AODB protocol includes dash. Option C, both A and B is the correct answer. Bandwidth consumption and considerable control overhead. Destination sequence distance vector updates the routing table. Option A, immediately after reaching the next node is the correct answer. The protocol that use information about the expected status of wireless links are called dash. Option B, routing protocol that use future temporal information is the correct answer. The characteristic of an ideal routing protocol is dash. Option C is the correct answer. Both A and B. Loop-free optimal usage of resources is the correct answer. Next question. The categories of energy management are dash. Option D is the correct answer. All the above. Transmission power management, battery energy management, device power management is the correct answer. All the answers are right. So option D, all the above. Next question. Cellular network is a dash. Option A, single hop network. The ability of a network to recover a reconfigure quickly is called dash. Option D, robustness is the correct answer. The technique that is used to distribute the load to avoid bottleneck in gateway is dash. Option C, load balancing is the correct answer. The solution to hidden terminal problem can be given by dash. Option D, all the above. MECA, MECAW, FAMA, all the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer, all the above. The other name for proactive routing protocol is dash. Routing protocol. Option B, table driven is the correct answer. If an intermediate node has a valid route to the destination, it sends a message. Option B, route replay. The nodes in Haddock network are dash. Option B, movable. The routing that minimizes the power consumption in Haddock wireless network is called dash. Option D is the correct answer. Power hour routing is the correct answer. DSR, AODO and ABR are example of dash. Reactive. Option B, reactive is the correct answer. Routing protocol is classified into dash type 4 type. Option C, 4 type is the correct answer. Dash refers to the lack of ability of nodes which is blocked due to transmission by nearby transmitting node to transmit to another node. Option B, exposed terminal problem. Next question. Dash refers to the activity of discovering a particular service or source. Option C, service discovery. Option C, service discovery. Next question. Issues in routing are dash. Option C, 1DA. Bandwidth constraint. Bandwidth constraint is the correct answer. Issues in routing are bandwidth constraints. The application of Haddock network includes military application, emergency operation, wireless sensor network. All the answers are right. So option D, all the above. Advantage of Haddock network or option D, all the above. Low cost, flexibility, easy to use. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. Haddock network are dash elements. Option B, packed switched. Packed switched is the correct answer. Packed switched elements. The table update is classified into two types dash. Full dump incremental update. Option B, full dumps incremental update is the correct answer. The routing table consists of dash elements, 4 elements. The routing table consists of 4 elements. Option C. Based on the routing topology, routing protocol are classified into dash. Option A, 2 types. Self-organization is required in Haddock network, which is performed by dash. Option C, both A and B. Neighbor discovering topology organization. Both A and B are right. So option C is the correct answer. Both A and B. RERR stands for dash. Option D. Route error is the correct answer. Combination of proactive and reactive protocol is dash. Hybrid. Combination of proactive and reactive protocol is hybrid. Option B. Example of reactive routing protocol. Option A. AODO is the correct answer. Dash refers to different activities such as detecting the geographical location of nodes, location of mobile nodes, etc. Option C. Location discovery. Gateway nodes are the option B. Entry point of wireless internet. Gateway nodes are the entry point of wireless internet. Option B. The responsibility of a routing protocol includes dash. Finding a feasible path to destination. Option A is the correct answer. The problem that arises when two or more stations who are out of range of each other's constraints simultaneously common disciplines. Option A. Hidden terminal problem is the correct answer. Transmit simultaneously to a common recipient. Option A. Hidden terminal problem is the correct answer. Routing table consists of dash. Option C. Both A and B. Destination node sequence number. Both A and B are right, so option C is the correct answer. Next question. Administrative on demand vector. Option C. Haddock on demand distance. Option C. Haddock on demand distance vector is the correct answer. AODO stands for Haddock on demand distance vector. The main objective of transport layer protocol is dash. Option D. All the above. Reliable data recovery, flow control, congestion control. Issues in designing routing protocol are dash. Option D. All the above. Mobility, bandwidth constraint, hidden and exposed terminal problem. Haddock network consists of option D. All the above. Dynamically changing topology, absence of fixed infrastructure and centralized administration, energy constraint, nodes. All the answers are right, so option D is the correct answer. All the above. Classification of routing based on topology is dash. Option C. Both A and B. Flat topology routing protocol, hierarchical topology routing protocol. Option A and B are right, so option C. Both A and B. Example of proactive routing protocol. Option C. DSDV is the correct answer. RREQ stands for dash. Option B. Route request. This protocol finds path to destination only when it needs on demand to transmit a packet. Option C. Reactive is the correct answer. Routing protocol for Haddock wireless network can be classified based on option D. All the above. Routing information update mechanism, usage of temporal information, usage of topology information. All the answers are right, so option D is the correct answer. All the above. In wireless Haddock network, dash option A. Access point is not required. Access point is not required. Option A is the correct answer. What is MANET? MANET. Option C. Main Haddock network. Following are the type of routing MANET except option C. Hyperactive. Option C. Hyperactive. These all questions are very important for Anna University online examination. If you prepare for GATE examination, translate examination, these all questions are very important. Thanks for watching.